Prime Designer is an online design tool to search for DC-DC switching regulators, calculate constant values, and conduct simulations for free. This video briefly introduces how to use Prime Designer. You can access the Prime Designer from the design support page on our website. There you'll find a search box. Enter basic conditions of DC-DC switching regulators you are looking for, such as input and output voltages. For example, let's search for a buck switching regulator with minimum Vn of 9V, maximum Vn of 16V, V out of 5V, and I out of 1A. After entering these conditions, click Search button. Then you'll see a list of DC-DC switching regulators that go with your conditions. Now, 19 products are displayed. That's too many, so let's narrow down the list. For detailed search, you can enter frequency and current consumption on the left of the display. Here, I'll enter 100 kHz for the minimum frequency and 400 kHz for the maximum. Now, 9 products are displayed. Then, I'll choose the NJW4152A. The text displayed below is a brief explanation of the selected product. Click Design Circuit in the box to start your design. The typical circuit diagram is shown on the display. The default switching frequency is entered on the left box. Let's change this value to 400 kHz. Click Design Circuit and the constant values concerned will change. Now, the desired conditions have been set ready. Then, let's start simulation. Before the simulation, you need to register to our membership service MyNisshinbo. If you have already registered to the service, start simulation after signing in. If you are not a member yet, please create an account for MyNisshinbo. Welcome back to Prime Designer. Click Simulation on top of the circuit diagram and a new window will open. In the new window, you'll see a circuit diagram with the values you entered on the previous window. Click Analysis tab on top of the display to analyze characteristics at will. For example, let's see how this circuit starts up. Enter additional information in the dialog if you want, and click Run. Then the simulation result will be shown on the monitor. You can display multiple results too. Here I'll add steady-state waveform and load transient response. Now, several simulation results have been handed in. You can switch the display by clicking the tabs under the chart. You can download the simulation results as a PDF file with the circuit diagram information included. Please note that only products with this blue icon correspond to simulation. We are planning to increase simulation available products, so please stay tuned. That's all for the brief explanation of Prime Designer. This tool will be useful for your circuit design using our DC-DC switching regulators. Please register to MyNisshinbo and make full use of the tool.